I don't want a police chase today, bro. I need to get to Nottingham. What's going on, people? I'm back. I know it's been a while. Look at this, look at this, look at this. You've seen me and you've heard me and you still decided to pull out. Anyway, let me digress. I know it's been a while. Let me start off by apologizing.
I'm sorry.
For being MIA and most importantly, not being consistent. It's not my fault. It's been family wedding after family wedding. As you can see, there's another one happening here. Even today, I'm on a limited window. I've pulled the bike out knowing I've got someone coming to pick me up. And then I'm about to head to Nottingham. But because I haven't ridden in a while, I had to do this, even for 10 minutes. Let me go up. Come on. That was the Ninja 400. Inline 4. Come on. I've barely got any petrol, 54 miles. It's cold. Even though the sun's out. Tires are cold, so I need to chill out. Oh, come on. I could have gone. I can't even go too far. And we popped into neutral.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
So we might as well ride in neutral now. That was fun. Put it back into first. That did not work out. You can wait. That's what happens when you're wearing Jordans. Can I whiz through that? Or should I just wait? No, I'm a bit rusty. Let me wait. No, and I don't know if you can see that, but I haven't touched the bike in that long. There's a spider web. Oh no, where are they coming from? It's police. If it's me, it's alright, they've gone past, it's not me. Traffic cops as well. What is happening?
No! No! No!
I don't understand. It's highly embarrassing. Look, kids looking. I have to give him a rev bump. It's only right. I had so much planned. What I'm going to talk about. Oh, where I'm going to go. That was a massive bump. And instead, I've come out on a quick one in joggers and a chest protector and some trainers like an absolute squid. But I've got gloves and a helmet, so I'm better than a few. I'm thinking I might just leave the petrol as well and leave that for another day. Thank you. Thank you. Yo. Oh shit, I'm not connected in. Oh, another one. I've seen them Audis everywhere now recently. Can I do a madness there? Yo! RS6. No indicator, no nothing. And on that note, people, I know it was quick. Peace out. See you on the next one. And I've made it home safe. Thank God.